Welcome back to Driven Daily, your go-to destination for honest and in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into one of India's most popular premium SUVs, the Tata Harrier. Bold styling, strong road presence, and a powerful engine make this SUV a favorite in its segment. But how well does it hold up in 2025? Let's break it down. Design and exterior. The Tata Harrier stands out with its aggressive design language. The split headlamp setup, sleek DRLs, and muscular stance make a bold first impression. The latest facelift has refined the front grille and tail lamps, giving the SUV a more modern and dynamic look. With its large alloy wheels and a floating roof design, the Harrier screams road presence from every angle. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with a premium cabin layout. Soft touch materials, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting elevate the driving experience. The updated infotainment system now comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, paired with a digital instrument cluster and a 10-speaker JBL sound system for a truly immersive feel. Space is ample, with wide seats and excellent rear legroom. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the Harrier features a 2.0L Cryotech turbo diesel engine delivering 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. The SUV comes with both 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmissions. Drive modes like Eco, City, and Sport let you adapt the ride to your preferences, while multi-terrain modes provide decent off-road capability for weekend adventures. Safety and features. Tata has packed the Harrier with top-tier safety features. It now offers ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, 6 airbags, ESP, hill hold control, and a 5-star global NCAP rating. You also get features like wireless charging, ventilated seats, 360-degree camera, and connected car tech that add to its premium value. Verdict. Is the Harrier worth it? The Tata Harrier combines style, comfort, and safety with solid performance. It's not just a family SUV, it's a statement on the road. If you're looking for a premium SUV under 25 lakh rupees with rugged appeal and modern features, the Harrier remains a top contender. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into Driven Daily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world car reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.